So, working on the 57 Chevy truck today, and what are we doing today? Today we're filling and smoothing all the weld holes that have been welded in the cab where it looks like Swiss cheese for all the wiring and hoses and whatever else. And I think in a previous video somewhere down the road I counted them, there's like 30 or some odd holes in here. Working on getting the door gaps just right. And yeah. Sorry about the crappy video. That is not actually a wobbly line in the thing. That's just bad camera. Cell phone, to be precise. Oh, yeah, getting there. Perfect transition, straight over top. No bump, no nothing. Now, the key question is, the new door seal, which is not installed right now, it's in the box there. I sort of tried to put it on today as a temporary thing, but it's so big. It doesn't allow the door to close. It's brand new, soft and supple like no tomorrow, but it just ain't allowing you to do shit that's getting it in there. Oh, figure that out later. Alright, there you go. Enough of this stuff. Time to get back to work. Trial fit of the fender. Look at that, 4x4. Put an engine in there, and we're back down to where we're supposed to be. It was assembled once before. There was 3 inches underneath the rocker panel, where basically you could stick a beer underneath it and squish it. Alright, thanks for coming. Talk to you later. Bye.